Agay bugha gid siya.
These are the materials we need. I cut only 4. That number 4. Okay, after need to splice the fiber. Okay, and that's the result. Please place the fiber cable to the guide like that. Okay, place it to properly and lock the cutting tool. Press once like that. Okay, open, and that's it. Make sure this one downward, naka down before insert the fiber. Insert slowly. And then lock it, hold tight, and lock. And press upward. Press upward the lock. Make sure this blue lock, the slot like that, place properly. Yan. Okay, that's all. Let's make a test. Let's use a laser to find out that there's continuity. Yon, success. That's all. Thank you for watching.
Agay bugha gid siya.